Let's quickly discuss this and more with our next guest. We have Jyoti Gupta, research analyst at Nirmal Bang Institutional Equities, joining in, who has, of course, coverage on the entire sector. Jyoti, thanks for being with us. You know, the pullback in defense stocks has been absolutely astounding. Many of them, like Mazagon, are already at all-time highs. BEL, I was just checking, is 6% away, and most others are between 15 to 20% away from reclaiming their old glory. Now, do you think this rush back into defense names is because of the environment and the mood and the sentiment right now? Or would you say there's a lot of fundamental reason to go and buy defense stocks as well?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. The initial rally was basically on the order book, which I have iterated many times. Now it is the step up in execution. In defense, what we've really seen is the execution has never been more than 30 to 33%. Now, this is actually going to culminate into actual deliveries of platforms and equipments, and that is so fundamentally, yes, there is a huge reason why the stocks are moving up. The other thing is the kind of order book that we are seeing. While the government has locked in 193 contracts worth around 2 trillion rupees, and which is going to grow at 20% CAGR till 2030 to 3 trillion, I think this itself from 20% should actually increase to something like 25, 30. Other thing is the kind of orders that we see is what we know in the public domain. So there's some companies, what they are actually announcing, the order book could be actually seriously quite higher than what is actually being announced in the press. So
Jyoti,
yes, and eventually when the execution starts happening, you'll be surprised the kind of numbers we'll be seeing going forward for these companies.
So, Jyoti, I'm straight away getting down to stocks because that's what everyone wants to understand. The opportunity we know and the order bookings we know, but it's going to boil down to, soundness of execution, pace of execution, and reasonable comfort in valuations. You like a whole host of companies, including private sector names, as I can see here, Data Patterns, I think Bharat Dynamics as well. So just take us through some of the topics and why.
So my topic actually is HAL, if you see, and in fact, just a moment back when the Defense Secretary also said that we are stepping up pace of execution. So while we were not even anticipating one LCA being delivered, you could see maybe some higher number of LCA Mark 1s being delivered in FY26, and the timelines for F Mark 2 is also being reduced. So therefore, while we are looking at, a book of somewhere like 180 billion is what we were looking at HAL. This could actually be somewhere much higher than what it could be in FY27. By the time we even reach FY27, these numbers, the growth itself could be 30-40% revenues, while we have just factored in something like a 14%, very meager growth of 14%. The other thing is solar. Now, if you look at solar is a sole company which is making warheads and initiating systems. While they're saying a 135 billion book, the book is already crossed something like a 150, and I believe they would be sitting at a much higher order book. And when it comes to warheads, it's the only company in the country which is making for BDL, Larsen Toubro, and going forward for Adani as well. So you can imagine the kind of workload they will have in the next, 3 to 4 years. And, the timelines where we used to see something like 8 years, 10 years timeline, it is no longer there. You need one, you have huge foreign orders, coming in to these companies, and the delivery timelines have been shrunk to almost like two to max 4 years. So one, there's a huge pressure of delivery and execution in these companies. The third company that I like is BEML. Now, in case of BEML, what you see is the execution delays are there. This photo also, you will not see very great numbers, in fact, for a BEML. But FY26 should be a good year for BEML with the deliveries of the postures and the launch systems, because this is the only company which is providing launch systems to BDL for its missiles. They're not into anything else. Now, if BDL has to deliver missiles, they need launch systems, and therefore both have to work in collaboration and ensure that the timelines are met. So therefore,
Jyoti, running into market open, sorry, it's a fascinating conversation. Always great to speak with you, and you bring such perspective and depth into these sectors. I mean, cement and defense now, of course, as well. Which one is a portfolio stock? I use that word which can be part of your core holdings, right, for the long term, and which gives you maximum kind of upside, in that sense, like more tactical. What's your sense?
Okay, so if I look at the 9 stocks that I cover, now within that, if you ask me surprise factors to come from, that will come from HAL, BDL. If you want me a stable growth, something which is going to give me an average growth of something like 8 to 9%, that will be BEL. Now, Data Patterns, another company which is going to do while people have concerns over their working capital. I think that's a short-term, concern which was there. This is going to improve for Data Patterns because the kind of, forward look, the thinking that they have in terms of the EW
Yeah.
product platform, I really like it. I think Data Patterns, another company which will perform extremely well. You've seen 3 quarters of sluggish growth, but I think moving forward, you'll see very good numbers for Data Patterns. Then Masgaon, which has done peak in FY25, you know that the government is going to be, finalizing orders of Scorpene. Obviously, the orders will be broken up between L&T, Garden Reach, and Masgaon, depending on the technical capabilities and, of the
Got it.
facility. So
Got it.
eventually, there's a huge order book pipeline which is still there. Execution, what we have seen, like
Got it.
10 years, 15 years, is going to shrunk to like 5 years.
Got it.
There's a huge
All about execution, and we can go on, and we will. So we'll invite you back, Jyoti. Thank you very much for joining us. HAL, BDL, core in terms of portfolio, and of course, you
Solar
talk about
as
some of
well.
the-
Don't forget Solar.
and solar as well. Yeah, I mean,
Very
there's
good
just very, very good company. There's Pinaka orders, etc. But of course, others as well. Thank you very much, Jyoti. Appreciate it. 3 minutes.